how to add a back to top button in Elementor. So here I've just opened up the Elementor website and now click on edit with Elementor onto my website. Now the first thing that we need to do is we'll need to select the section here, which is going to count as the top selection for us, where we basically want to be referred to. So for example, I'll just do this section here. I'll just click on it, and then we have to go to the advanced tab, and here where it says CSS ID, we'll type something like top. Now make sure you remember how you have written or what you have written here, including the capital letters and the lowercase letters. So mine is just top, all lowercase letters. Now after we have done this, we just want to save the changes here. So I'm just going to save the draft. And then what we'll do is we'll scroll down wherever we want to add the, add to top button. So I'll just click on here. I'll create a new flex box. I'll choose this first design and we can just, drag this where we want. And here I'll just create my button. So I'll click on the plus sign and I'll create a button. Now for the text, I'll change the text to back to top button, and like I said, we can readjust the position here. So for me it's going to be rather close, but you can drag this wherever you want. And if we want to actually link this, we will go here to link and we'll type whatever we typed for this section. So for example, mine was top. So if we click on link options here, we can also open this in a new window. But I'll just leave it like this. And now if people click on this back to top button, they'll be referred to this section here that we have linked as top, as you can see in this CSS ID section. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.